Today we're going to make a meal with quinoa. So I'm planning to make a quinoa salad with maybe chicken. Let's get on to it. Alright, the best way to cook the quinoa is 1:2 ratio of water. I'm adding 1.5 cup of quinoa and 3 cups of water. Make sure to wash the quinoa properly and cook in medium heat by adding a bit of salt. Cook until the water is evaporated. Close the lid and rest it in the heat for a bit, and the quinoa will be done. Now I've cut all the vegetables for the salad. It's a kind of a quinoa upma. I have a mix of carrot, maize, and green peas, and I have some onions, some green and yellow paprika, broccoli, and broccoli stem, and chili. Alright, while the quinoa is cooking, I'm going to make a kidney bean salad. It is a sour Russian kidney bean salad. The ingredients are very simple. I have a cooked kidney beans which I soaked and cooked it yesterday, and I add a bit of onion, garlic pieces, and some salt and pepper, some lemon juice and vinegar, and a bit of oil and dill. And I want to make it a little spicy, so I add a bit of chili. Now I have a chicken breast which I wanted to cook as a side. I'm going to slice it thin and add some spices and smash it like a thin sheet so it can cook really fast. I cook this in 5 minutes. I fry it in the oil so that it gets some crispiness on it. This is the quinoa bowl with kidney beans and some fried chicken.